In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the shake effect in Premiere Pro. So just go to the effects, search for the effects called transform. This is under the distort. Just drag and drop over your clip, and thereafter go to the effects control, and if you go down, you will see this effect transform. Now where we have to animate the position keyframes, we'll click on this stopwatch to create a keyframe, and thereafter we'll move some frame forward a little bit, and then we'll change its position to either, let's say, we can adjust the Y position, and then we can adjust the X position. Again, we can just randomize it, move a little bit further, and change these position, and that's going to create different keyframes. Okay, and now if we just go back from the starting and if you play it, you can see it has now started shaking it. And if you want this effect to be longer, just select all of these, or just by drawing the rectangle above all of these keyframes, right click and select copy, and then move your playhead at the end of these keyframes and press Ctrl V, Command V, and similarly you can just do this, and you can make this effect any longer you want. And thereafter, one important setting which you need to do, just come down and on the shutter angle just type 180. So that's basically going to add some motion blur to it. So if you just play it, you can see now it's moving. And if you see these black bars or these black frames which doesn't look good, so what you can do, you can scale it to a little bit further. So you can make it 105 so that you don't see the black frames. So if you just play it, you can see this creates this shake effect. And now you can save this as a preset so that later on you can easily use it. So right click and click save preset and call it shake effect and press enter. And next time you want to apply it, let me just remove this, or let me apply this on this clip. Let's say on this clip I want to apply, just go to the effects and search for the shake effect, and this is the shake effect which we have just created. Just drop it over the clip on which you want to create the shake effect, and if you just play it, you can see it is creating this shake effect.
And if you want to learn how to auto transcribe your videos or create captions or subtitles automatically in Adobe Premiere Pro, then I have created this course. This course teaches you the step-by-step process of creating perfect captions or transcriptions or the subtitles for your videos. So stop paying anyone for transcription. Start creating auto transcription in the Premiere Pro itself. This course is available at very steep discount. Make sure you check out. The link is in the description section below.
So for more such tips and tricks, like, follow and subscribe.